Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. We're serving up some gastronomical delights this evening digitally. Local digital menu platform Visueats Jamaica has officially been launched. The local startup allows restaurants and fast food businesses to add visual representations of the food to their menu. Javon Keys explains.
The pandemic secured a place for digital menus at restaurants, but even before COVID-19, patrons have always wanted the opportunity to see their food before ordering. Visueats does exactly that. Sophronia McKenzie is the company's CEO and founder.
When Visueats started, it was just the concept of a picture menu, but then being in technology, you're like, there are other pain points that restaurants need to solve. So it became a turnkey solution where we're offering reservations, we're going to be rolling out delivery, we're also going to be rolling out payment processing, so I know both the restaurateurs and the diners can appreciate.
Chief Business Development Officer at Visueats, Tanisha Westcar, says the $250,000 investment already has a number of restaurants and patrons signed up.
So far, we have got 30 restaurants onboarded on the platform, and we are averaging 800 downloads in each iteration. On iOS, there will be a slight delay. We know that, it does take a little bit longer, but on Google Play, you're able to access the new Visueats platform.
Visueats allows customers to create a profile, and based on their metadata and requests, searches can be filtered based on allergies, prices, and other parameters. The app has a monthly subscription for businesses, which includes the cost for food photography. Visueats says in addition to expanding the features, it's looking to take the application global.
Jamaica is just the first step. We're using our hotels and our restaurants who have different, different locations, not just within Jamaica, but also far afield within the Caribbean. So we will be looking to explore and expand into those markets. By Q4, we will be launching in the US. So we're really excited about bringing this fantastic platform to America. And might I add, it is an application, so it's global.
Overall, within 5 years, we're projecting to be having $30 million in revenue and be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Digicell's founder Dennis O'Brien has given his first response since news broke that he will lose his majority stake in the telecoms company. In a report published by the Irish Times, Mr. O'Brien was delighted that an agreement has been reached. He says he'll still committed to Digicel after the agreed restructuring. Last week, Mr. O'Brien agreed to hand over his more than 90% control of Digicel to creditors. It's to clear off $1.8 billion of Digicel's debt, which peaked at $7 billion last year. The US dollar is being sold for an average $153.79. $113.51 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The pound is going for $184.44, while the euro will sell for an average $166.28. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 1,878 points today, while the junior market index fell by 35 points. Among the winners, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Salada Foods Jamaica, Regency Petroleum, Stanley Motor, and Express Catering. Decliners were led by Palace Amusement, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Jamaica Public Service 9.5%, Carbon Flavors and Fragrances, and Jamaican Teas. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.